Okay, now Asian close, so it failed to broke, then it create a new low here, and then London start from here. Okay, so then if it broke the upper point, if there is any high here, so that is this one, breakout happen. So then we need some reference and we need some reason why it create like this type of situation. Okay, so now if the movement is like this type of, then there is no perfect movement or perfect a powerful situation. So then we have to wait for another session, another perfect situation. Okay, so now it just after entering in this session, immediately market create like this type of situation that already broke the upper point or already broke the lower point, not only the previous session as well as the previous day's upper point. So that is the powerful situation, that is the movement. So we can trust and we can just we have to just analyze other things also, just what's the reason why it creating like this type of, if market, if we see the perfect reason, so then we can follow, and then definitely it will move. When market came to this London session, so the upper part breakout happened, the upper level breakout happened, but there is no strong movement here, and it failed to break the previous day's highest point. So that means there's some activity here, but it's not enough to move strongly. So again, sellers came back to this area and just it moving in this previous session, and in this moving. Okay, and the previous it failed to break the lower level, and it create a new level here, new low here, that is this one. This London session's new low is this one. That was the new low. Okay, and then high here. So now when New York session start, so what's the movement here? It first of all it broke the previous session. So it broke the previous session, that means it broke the London session. So when it broke the London session, that means we have to think that, okay, so there's some power here, there's some activity here. So after breakout, it again create this pullback situation. After that, again market fall down. But what happened? It when came back to this previous Asian session lowest point here, it trying to make a ranging type situation here. And finally, what happened in this session? It finally broke this previous London session lowest point, Asian session lowest point, as well as previous day's lowest point. And now this is the power, this is the movement, this is the activity. Big entities, they already active in this area, in this part. That's why the situation is like this type of. So we need this type of powerful situation, this type of movement. When market create this type of situation, we have to search the reasons, what the reasons are. So then we will go to the same direction. That means when this power activated to the lower side, downward direction, we have to follow this direction. And then the situation is like this type of. So in our next session, I will try to explain what's the reason why we can trust this type of situation and why we can go with this direction. So this is all about today's session. Thanks for joining today's session.
Okay.